Hi everyone, welcome to our Bitmoji classroom. You have already clicked on my Bitmoji, so you've already done the first job, great, so awesome job there. So this is the instruction video for me to show you the rest of our classroom. So after you finish this video, you will want to click on the clock here up on the wall, and that will take you to a website where you can watch a video learning about Pangea and the early geography of the world. After you watch that video, you will want to click on the big map of the world hanging on the wall. That link will take you to a website where you can click on the interactive map and click on different countries to learn information about them and see where they are. After you're done looking through those, you will want to click on the Map Fun tab and on the multiple choice question game. To complete that, I will ask you to complete the multiple choice game and get a point total of at least 10, and then you should be all good with that lesson. After you click on the map, then you will want to click on the laptop computer sitting on the desk. That will take you to a website where you can click on a different country and learn about life in that country compared to life in the United States. So after you've gone through about 3 or so, you will want to click on the chair over here, and that will take you to a Google Doc where I want you guys to type up a paragraph explaining differences that you learned about in a different country versus living in the United States. So I hope all goes well, and I'm super excited to learn about geography with you guys.